Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Versa tire. First, prioritize safety by finding a secure, level location away from moving traffic. Always activate your hazard lights to make your vehicle visible to others. Ensure the parking brake is fully engaged to prevent any unexpected movement. For added stability, place wheel chocks behind the tires that are diagonally opposite the flat one. These initial steps are crucial for a safe tire change. Next, gather your tools: the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench typically found in your Versa's trunk. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut by about 1/2 turn, turning counterclockwise. Do not remove them completely yet. Carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Then, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground, allowing ample space for removal. Now it is time to swap the tires. Fully remove all the lug nuts you previously loosened and keep them in a safe, accessible spot. Gently pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and place it flat on the ground nearby. Take your spare tire, align its holes with the vehicle's wheel studs, and push it firmly onto the hub. Finally, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs until they are snug against the spare tire. For the final steps, carefully lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. With the vehicle partially lowered, use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts firmly in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once tightened, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Remember to store the flat tire, jack, and all your tools securely in your trunk. Drive cautiously to a service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.